Brazelton, I just met this guy over here, just in time plumbing right here. Anyway, I just met him. He come over and saw me and recognized me from the channel. And anyway, I wanted to give him a shout out. So I'm gonna give his company a shout out. Just in time plumbing right here. But he's him and his wife are some of my subscribers, and they watch the channel. But anyway, it's fun meeting people. Hey there. This tow trucker, we're back again. We got somebody blocking garage or something. How you doing?
Black car.
Okay.
Oh no.
Actually, they're blocking somebody's garage, and we're gonna have to yank it. Yeah.
On the inside, there's a blue one.
I may have to drop it. What building is that other one at?
On the east side, on the other side of the...
We know what building it's at?
Yeah, you can follow him.
Okay, that'll work. I may have to drop this one and flip it around.
Okay.
But we'll be on the other side.
Do it over there, yeah.
Okay. That particular person is blocking that garage that belonged to the maintenance guy. And he can't get his golf cart out to start work. And we got one more over here that's blocking somebody else's garage. We were up here yesterday. We came to get this next car. We came yesterday to get it, but it was gone when we got here. So I'm gonna go back here and hook this next one. We'll see what happens with it. But people park anywhere they want to, and their cars get yanked. It's just something that happens. Gonna have to drop the one I got on the back. I gotta drop it because the drive axles are facing the wrong way. I don't think they're gonna park in those spots again. This is how people learn. I think we got a guy. What's going on, man?
My car.
Which one?
This blue one here.
You got to pay it out. It's $100 to pay it out.
Okay.
That's the only way. If you're gonna write your receipt, you can pay it cash or card, either one.
Let's do cash.
Okay, hey, let me go ahead and write it. The cash is quicker. At least you didn't lose too much time. Hey, somebody's calling about that garage.
Okay.
I don't know if anybody's living there or not, but somebody's calling on the garage.
Got it.
Because it was blocking. That's why they towed it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and you can pull it down, or I will. It don't matter.
Oh.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'll let you do it.
Okay, you got the key on it. The
Oh.
key.
Yeah, sorry.
Yep, no problem. All right. Have a good day, sir.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, just be careful where you park at, man.
I'm not perfect.
Yeah, have a good one, sir.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks for staying calm, man.
Oh, no, that's...
We got the Honda loaded back up, and we paid out the Sonata. That gentleman was actually pretty understanding. I think he knew pretty sure he knew he wasn't supposed to park there. Anytime that they're that cooperative, he knows he was parking in the wrong spot. And basically he manned up, you know, and paid the drop fee without even getting mad. You gotta park like you got some sense, because if you don't, there's a tow guy more than happy to come take your car. And I don't mean just me. There's tow guys all over the planet, and that's what they do. They yank cars. People park in the wrong spot in every city in the world that has cars. That's just a problem people never figure it out until they get towed. Anyway, we're back at the yard. Got this Honda to the yard. I guess this guy had something he was hauling on top of the car. Anyway, we're pretty slammed over here at the lot. We got a lot of cars. We got to get rid of some junk, man. We get junk in here all the time. Stuff that it just ain't worth a crap, like this trailer. This is terrible. Anyway, some of these trailers and some of this junk, it just sits over here. We can't sell it because it don't have VIN numbers. We wind up having to scrap some of this stuff. Boats can be a problem too if they're junk. Here's some more crap over here. But this boat right here, this thing, I don't know if this boat's salvageable or not. People do like project boats, but it takes a lot of work and a lot of money to fix one, unless you're a boat guy. Anyway, we're still busy, still rolling cars in. They're coming in every day. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to the next call before somebody starts calling. I don't want to upset my dispatch. I can't sit around here and video too much. They'll start calling. Anyway, tow trucker back. Over here in Decatur, man. This is it's not a very nice area. But this apartment manager's called in a car to actually called two in. The management decided to give the resident a little bit more time to fix it. I got expired tag Chevrolet back here. He wants it off the property, so we're gonna have to load it up. I may even wheel lift it to get it quick, just because we're in a rougher area. I gotta find this car. Looking for it now. Let's see, black Chevrolet. That must be it right there. Anyway, we got that thing loaded up without no problems, man. But you never know in this kind of area, especially when you know somebody's driving that car. They pulled 2 orange stickers off the past 2 months, and somebody's still driving that car. I can tell by the fluids around it. That car's being driven every day. All the tires are pumped up. But anyway, we're gonna go up here to the office. We have to have a name right here on the bottom. Where? Yeah, right there. Yeah. You know, we towed that complex across the street for many years. The one right over here.
I know your company, you know, the garage, the auction.
Yeah. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I went to the auction many times.
We appreciate it. Yeah.
If you come back,
you just got a flat tire, is always got
2 of them. We put the spare. According to the law, spare should be not 1 week, 3 weeks. So if you come back in 1 hour, towing the car, towing the car. Okay?
Okay. You got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it right. I
Yeah.
get to the tire shop right quick.
Oh, is
Get
it?
the tire and take it off.
Okay. Hey, I'm just trying to help. I'm not trying to get. I know he wants you to move it,
I know.
and I ain't trying to tow it. You know what I'm saying? But we do whatever they ask.
If I can take it over there.
Yeah, we do whatever they ask us. You know what I'm saying? That's all we do. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to help you. If you could fix the flat, it might work unless it's got a big hole.
It's got a big hole.
It does, yeah.
I can take the other side right here and put it on there.
Yeah, there should be you know, there's tire shops. Just get a tire shop to switch it.
That's what I'm gonna do right now.
Have a good one, man. Take care. Well, he basically said he said an hour. He said you got an hour. So just, yeah, he's serious about moving them though. Have a good one, man.